Once upon a time, there was a kingdom called Daha, ruled by a wise king named King Kertamata. The king had two beautiful daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandra Kirana. Chandra Kirana was engaged to the crown prince of Kahuripan, named Raden Inu Kertapati. One day, when Raden Inu Kertapati visited the kingdom of Daha, Dewi Galuh became jealous of her sister, Chandra Kirana, who always seems to receive all the good fortune. Consumed with envy, Dewi Galuh wanted to get rid of Chandra Kirana. Blinded by jealousy, Dewi Galuh sought the help of a witch to remove Chandra Kirana. The witch agreed to help in exchange for a payment of gold. Dewi Galuh and the witch approached Chandra Kirana, and the witch cast a curse on her. A thick mist enveloped Chandra Kirana's body, and when it dissipated, she had transformed into a golden snail. The golden snail was carried away by the river, drifting far from the kingdom of Daha. Eventually, the snail was caught in a fishing net. The net belonged to an old woman who was out catching fish. The old woman took the golden snail home and cared for it, placing it in an aquarium. Unbeknownst to the old woman, each morning the golden snail would transform back into a human until noon. When the old woman returned home, she was surprised to find a table full of delicious food. The next morning, the old woman went back to the lake to fish, and again, when she returned, food was already prepared on the table. On the third day, the old woman returned home earlier than usual and peeked through the window. She saw that the golden snail had transformed back into a beautiful princess who was an excellent cook. Meanwhile, in the kingdom of Kahuripan, Prince Inu Kertapati grew anxious. Days had turned into months since Chandra Kirana had gone missing from Daha. Determined to find his fiancée, he set out on a quest to search for her. During his journey, he was attacked by a black crow, which was the witch in disguise. However, the prince was saved by an old man, who cast the crow away with his magical staff. The old man was someone the prince had once helped in his yacht, offering him food and drink when he was in need. In gratitude, the old man now returned the favor by telling the prince where he could find Chandra Kirana, still in the form of a golden snail. The prince followed the old man's direction and found Chandra Kirana. Upon seeing her, the curse was lifted, and she returned to her true form. Prince Inu Kertapati brought Chandra Kirana and the kind old woman back to the palace, and they lived happily ever after.